Simple home remedies for cold and cough. There are still many households that still rely on home remedies in order to cure the common cold and cough. These home remedies treat colds and coughs effectively, without any side effects. Here are some home remedies you can use to treat colds and coughs. 1. Ginger tea. In addition to tasting good, ginger tea helps treat common colds and coughs. By drying your nasal passages, you can expel phlegm from your respiratory tract. Ginger is known for its health benefits, including the ability to soothe a common cold and speed up recovery. 2. Honey and brandy. Honey, which is missing in brandy, can help in fighting a cough, as it increases body temperature. Adding honey to brandy improves coughs and colds. 3. Ginger and salt. Prepare ginger by cutting it into small pieces and salting it. To fight colds, flu, and sore throats, chew these ginger strips. 4. Garlic. One of the most popular home remedies for colds is garlic. Various cultures have a cure for colds based on garlic, whether it is raw garlic in a drink, raw garlic in a chicken soup, or just eating raw garlic. Garlic has been shown to have antibacterial and antifungal properties due to its allicin compound. Garlic's distinctive hot flavor is due to allicin. Chopped or crushed fresh garlic contains the most allicin, so it should be raw. 5. Ginseng. The chemical compound polysaccharides and ginsenosides have long been recognized as the active components of ginseng. One of the most popular ginseng products is Cold FX. Ginseng root has estrogenic properties and is usually not recommended for people with conditions such as uterine fibroids, endometriosis, and cancers of the breast, ovaries, uterus, or prostate. A doctor should also be consulted before taking ginseng root if you have heart problems, schizophrenia, or diabetes. Make sure not to get too much hydrogen peroxide in your ear canal, but you should get just a tiny amount. Please make sure you like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel.